Welcome to my office. Come on in. The first area of my office that I will show you all is my makeup vanity area. Now, this is actually a recent addition to my office. I used to have my makeup in my bathroom, the one that's connected to my room, but I decided to move the makeup to my office because my closet is also in here. And whenever I'm doing videos, I usually make about 2 to 3 videos at a time. And in between making videos, I always have to pat my face dry because I have really oily skin. And then whenever I have my ring light on, which is all the time when I'm recording, it just makes it even more oily. So I was always having to go back and forth, to just kind of like touch up my makeup and pat dry my face. And then I just decided, well, if I'm already getting dressed in here, might as well move my makeup in here so I can just kind of have it all in one space. And it has been working out really nicely. I actually got this desk and this chair from Walmart, and I think the desk was about $80 or $90, and then the chair is I think either like $20 or $25. And these also came from Walmart. They separate, so these aren't attached, but I just kind of stacked them on top of each other because why not? And I think they were $6 each. And then I also got this mirror from Walmart. This is not a Walmart commercial, but I got this mirror from Walmart, and what's really cool about it is it lights up. So that really comes in handy because the lighting in my office is so bad. So this is my vanity makeup area. So just to show you a couple of the things that I'm kind of excited about in my makeup collection, if you want to call it. I don't really have a whole lot, but I just went to Ulta and got these 2 palettes. So this one is from NYX. It's called Off Tropic, and I really liked it because of the pink and the orange shades. And then I'm always using berries because purple is my favorite color. It's like the lip color that I always wear, and I always kind of do something with my eyeshadows. So I'm loving this one. And then also Spice Up Your Life from Essence. I've never really used this brand before, but I really loved this palette because it's just very fall, like super fall, all the colors. So I'm really liking these. Also, I got this ColourPop single shadow, and I love how glittery it is, and it's brown. So basically on days where I just kind of want to do something simple, this is what I put on, and I'm actually wearing this right now. So it's just like a very simple eyeshadow. Other thing I want to show is this blush palette that I got, and I think it's from Juvia's Place. I can't remember. Yeah. This is from Juvia's Place. I have never used any of their products, but I've seen them on YouTube, and like makeup people do reviews of them, and I got this palette and I love it. Like the blush tones are perfect for my skin shade, and I definitely am loving this palette. So those are just some of like the makeup things I'm pretty excited about right now. So this is my closet, and my closet is actually really sad. And I've got some drawers in here and a ball, because who doesn't have a ball in their closet? So this is where all the work happens. This is my workspace of my office, and I'm gonna go ahead and say it. It is not Pinterest worthy by any means. So this office workspace, I already know no one's gonna be repinning this, but I will tell you this is probably the most comfortable, functional setup that you can have. and it's taken me like all of the 3+ years that I've been working from home to perfect this. And I'm gonna show you all the details. I'm gonna show you my desk. I'm gonna show you my chair, because this is not just any chair. Like, I've got this chair rigged for ultimate comfort. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with this chair. So I'm gonna do my best to hold the camera as steady as I can while I go into some of the things about this chair. Like, I really can't believe I'm about to talk about a chair, but this is not just any chair. This is a super office chair. I can't even take myself seriously when I say this. But okay, so first off, all right, now this chair has a cover on it, and this cover is like this nylon material. It's like a one-size-fits-all kind of cover thing, and I have this and many of the other things I'm going to show you in my store on my website, and I will give you all the information about that. But why do I have a cover on this chair? Well, this is a leather chair, and when you work from home, your chair is going to end up tearing up, and if you're sitting for long periods of time, it is going to kind of like stick to you, and that's uncomfortable. So I've had this cover on my chair probably for as long as I've had the chair, and I've never really done much with this cover. It's kind of just stayed on there, and when I got this seat cushion, I have a seat cushion that I sit on. I noticed that my chair had actually started kind of tearing up just a little bit down here, and that's just because of use. So you want to get a chair cover regardless if you have a problem with the leather or not, because it is going to help you get more longevity out of your chair. Because once it starts tearing up and you're sitting on it, like, this would just be so uncomfortable, and this leather is kind of like hard. So you want to get a chair cover. This is my lumbar pillow. And you may have noticed that there is a pillow on the floor. This pillow stays here, and I actually rest my feet on this pillow. And the reason why this pillow is on the floor is actually by accident. This is what I used to sit on, not sit on, it used to be where my lumbar pillow is. So I just thought, well, you know, let me put a pillow back there. That way I can kind of make it a little bit more comfortable. But then it really took up too much of the seat, and then I ended up getting this lumbar pillow, which I'm very happy about because it actually gives me the support I want. And when I replaced the pillow, this one, it just kind of was on the floor, and I guess it was just kind of like a lazy moment, and I just put my feet on the pillow, like the pillow falls, I put my feet on the pillow, and then I'm like, ooh, this is comfortable. So it has never left the floor. Now this, okay, let me move this chair. This is an elbow pad, and I used to not have this thing right here. This is for my mouse. So instead of having to reach over to my desk, I just have this thing now, and I can comfortably navigate, and I don't have to sit so close to the computer. I can sit further back if I want to, and that way I'm not like right up on the screen. So this is for my mouse. Now these elbow pads, you're going to need elbow pads. I don't care what kind of chair you have or how comfortable it is, your elbow is gonna start hurting, because I can show you better with this right here, or I don't even have to move it. This is hard, and your elbow is going to be on fire. So you can get all of this in my store. So now I'm gonna show you the stuff that is on my desk. So I have a desktop computer. This is an HP all-in-one, And then I also have a laptop. This is a Microsoft Surface laptop. And then I also have a wireless keyboard and mouse combo. This comes together. And then I have this trackpad. You can write on it and it'll show up on the screen. This is actually so simple but so smart. I used to have a this thing. This is where my makeup brushes are. I used to keep my pencils in that thing. And my desk was so cluttered, I would always knock it over by accident. It's so simple, but it's really handy. It has a little drawer, and then it has these different compartments, and I can put like a journal in here, and then I have this headset that I use, and yeah, so it's very functional, and it's purple. And oh, my flash drive. I love this flash drive. Let's see if we can focus here. Is it gonna focus? Okay, I think it's focused now. But this is the cutest flash drive I have ever seen. And it matches my nails. And when I first got it, it matched my nails because I think I'm always getting purple glitter for my nails. 32 gigs, and it comes in multiple colors, and it's on my website. So I have so many wires, and anytime you can do something wireless, you want to, because you can see there's wires over here, and then there's wires right here, and there's so many wires. But anytime you can do something wireless, do it, which is why I love the mouse and keyboard combo, because it's wireless and you just use a USB port, but you're not gonna really be able to avoid wires. Most newer laptops and computers only have one USB port. This is the only USB port, and whenever I'm using my my keyboard and mouse, this is what plugs in so that I can use that. And if I ever need to use my headset, this is a USB headset, I don't have room. So that's where this thing comes in. And you can plug in the USB port right here, and then you can just plug in all your other USB things there, and you can like click it on and off. So yeah. This is my bonus desk. So quick story about this desk. This actually isn't even a desk. It's like a picnic table. And I got this a few months back from Walmart. I think it was like maybe 30, 35 bucks. But I was running out of space on my desk. And that's why I was knocking everything over all the time. And I wanted another desk. I actually wanted an L-shaped desk. So pretty much like the bootleg shape that I've got going on here. I wanted an actual desk that was like in the shape of an L. But then I thought about it and I was like, well, we're gonna be moving probably like in the next year or so. So I probably don't want to get a desk that isn't necessarily gonna fit the space that we move to. I mean, I don't know what the space is gonna look like that we move to. So I just was like, let me find a solution. And that's what this desk or this table is. This is my old Asus laptop. I used this throughout college and pretty much up until a few months ago before I got my new one. I use things till the wheels fall off, and literally the keys fell off or they just broke. So I could not type anymore on it, and I'm gonna get this fixed because it's still a good laptop, but it was just like, okay, it's time. Paper organizer here. I've got like some papers on here. I've got my Bible. I read the Bible like every day, and I actually just finished reading the Old Testament. Really good stuff. And then I have my camera case. So this is where the camera that I'm recording with goes. And then this is a laptop case. This is for my laptop. This is also in the store as well. A lot of stuff that I just mentioned is in the store, but I just didn't say it was in the store. All right, YouTube, it's been real. I appreciate you stopping by. You've seen where I do my makeup, my closet. You've seen where I do my work and even where I sit, but it is time to go. So I will talk to you all later, all right? Love you lots. Bye.
Hey, before you go, Make sure you check the description box below for a link to my free 10-page ebook. It is a complete checklist for all of the work from home equipment that you may need to get started in your very own opportunity. Talk soon!